Howdy Shopware. The time has come to redo my garage. Alright, so I wanted to do a quick tour to show you where things are at right now. And I just got a hold of a bunch of 2x4s and plywood that someone is basically, they built a bunch of shelves and a storage unit and they're tearing it all down and they're giving it away for free. So I'm going to be picking that up tomorrow, but for now I'm kind of pulling everything out so that I can make room to build a new shelf. So I want to give you a current state of things. Okay, so here's my main workbench, which you've probably seen from my other videos. And I have a table that I normally have, this guy, a movable workbench, which is what I normally have sitting in front of it. So this was my workspace before. And then we had a set of shelves over here, fully stacked with junk. And then I had a weed eater and gas cans and things in the corner. And then over here, this is the bike storage wall that I built. Let's see if you can see the light to adjust so the lawnmower sits under there. So this is normally a work surface for my kids to play with. And I got a new, this is a secret project under that blanket. And then here is a new table saw that was given to me. So I've just started to, this is where I want it. So I cleared out the stuff that was here. So just trying to test fit it to see how it's gonna go in there. I can barely squeeze it out through this space. Here's my Sendos are playing. So right now I'm pulling out the stuff from this side of the garage and moving it all, setting it all over here. And what I'm going to do with the new shelving, I'm going to pull all that out and put new shelves that will be attached against the wall. They'll be longer and then I'm going to extend them onto this wall. So all of this storage shelves and all those tools will be taken down and repurposed, and we'll have shelves that will go kind of where these are and then along this wall. And then we'll also take advantage of the wall space here and put some shelves all the way down and some shelves in the corner to hold cans and things. I think that'll be a good space for that. That is the before.